Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Brady here, and in today's video we are going to be painting the Nissan 240SX. So this is literally a moment I've been waiting like what feels like forever for, which was finally to get rid of that old paint job and get a nice fresh paint job on the S13. So if you saw the last video, I actually got the car fully into primer. Since then I've scuffed everything down and painted it. I did paint all the loose parts, but I didn't film it. So I'm gonna film you guys. So I'm gonna film me painting the car now so you guys can see it, and it'll give you a better visualization of how the car is gonna look once it's fully done. So the primer, I wet sanded everything down with 400 grit and it is ready to go. I can't show you the entire car because I did spray a little bit of the color on the back, so you're just gonna have to wait and see. So I already have my paint mixed up. The system I'm using is I have to put on a base, which is like the primer for the color, and then I put on a metallic top coat, and then after that we're gonna put on clear coat. I did mix in some pearls with the base coat. I could have mixed it in with an inner coat and it would have been a lot more prominent, but I don't want a crazy pearl effect. I just wanted a little bit, and then I added a perfect amount to a half gallon of paint so that I can do that every single time and I won't have like more or less pearl in it. Anyways, so the car is pretty much ready right now. All I'm gonna do is go over it with a rag, wipe everything down, blow it down, and then I'm gonna go over it with a tack cloth and it'll be ready for its first coat. Okay guys, as you can tell, I'm literally covered in shit from sand. So as you guys can see, I'm literally covered in shit from sanding and getting paint on everything all day. But you can probably see it in the background, but let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys the base coat that I'm going to be laying down. So all I'm going to be doing, I already got my paint mixed up. So I'm putting my little filter in my gun. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Alright, so as you guys can see, like a nice blue color. So the top coat is a pretty close color to this. I'll show you it in the paint can after I get this coat on. Alright, so as you can see, we got a nice little mist coat on it, just so that when we spray the base, we won't have to put a lot of paint down and it'll just blend a lot nicer. Looks good, you know. So now I'm going to show you guys the top coat. So this is actually what I'm using as my top coat. Let me get a light on there for you. So as you can see, it's very flaky, and almost, it's got a lot of pearl in it as well. So here it is in the gun, if it would focus. Yeah, there it is, guys. I added some flake into it as well. Sorry, not flake. I added this, which is just a pearl, and I don't know if you can see it in there, but gives it kind of like that rainbowy effect. Alright guys, got our paint all mixed up. Here we go. Guys, we just got down our first coat of the top coat, and it looks pretty badass. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything else that I got painted, cause like seeing it now, it looks amazing, but like once this thing is all back together in one piece, it's gonna be totally crazy, and like I'm not even prepared for it. But here's the hood. We got the hood all done, looking good. 326 wing, nice, done all over. Inside of the hood, it's done as well. Everything went down nice and smoothly. This is our passenger door. Still don't have the driver's door, but I'll be picking one up this week. Passenger side fender, rear bumper, another fender, and the front bumper. Like, that is just so badass. I can't wait to see this actually back on the car. Alright guys, so this is going to be wrapping up the video on painting the S13. I don't think it was too long of a video, but just kind of showed you guys, and a nice color reveal. So let me know what you guys think of the color. It took me a long time to decide. Like, I originally wanted to paint the car yellow, and then I wanted to paint it like a fire orange, and then I eventually went with this, and I could not be happier with my choice. Like, it just looks so damn good, and I can't wait. And like, just to disclose, I'm not a professional painter by any means. Like, I work at a paint shop, but I do this just kind of for fun, and like, I've learned by doing it, and it's not hard as long as you have a space to do it. And I'm very fortunate enough to have this space where I can work on my car on the weekends, and I'm very grateful for that. So in the next video, I'm going to be pulling all the masking off of the car, putting it on the ground, and then slowly starting to get it back together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video where we're putting the S13 back together. Peace.